By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly whether you should go on to Manychat to create your Facebook Messenger campaign, or just to go onto the Facebook Ads Manager and run a Messenger campaign from there. There are some differences between the two that are very vital and can impact your decision and can save you a lot of time when creating your Messenger bot campaigns. So let me go on my computer right now so I can show you the main differences between going on Manychat to create a Facebook ad or going on Facebook to create a Facebook ad. We're gonna get started right now. What's going on, everybody? It is your favorite marketing goon, Aaron Bogle here. And in this video, I'm gonna go over the main key differences that you need to know about running an ad through Manychat, which is right here, and running a good old-fashioned Facebook Messenger ad campaign here. So pretty much, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and like this video as well. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday about making great Facebook ads, making awesome Manychat bots that people want to talk to, and how to make some nice, easy money online that don't take much time, because I honestly don't have much time as a Facebook marketer and with the other stuff I have to do throughout my day. So if I want to make money online, I want to do it easily and fast, and I'm going to show you guys how to do the same exact thing. So in this video, I want to go over what's the main differences between running an ad through going on Manychat, going on the Manychat growth tools and running an ad there, or going onto the Facebook Ads Manager and running a Facebook Messenger campaign. Because there are some differences that I want to just point out to you guys, and so you can make the decision of, should I just run my ad through Facebook or should I just run my ad through Manychat? So let's get started. So pretty much, to start running Manychat ads, you go on Manychat, and then once you're on the site, you click on growth tools, and then you click on ads. So once you click on ads, you want to click on create a new ad. So then from there, before this, it's pretty much just gonna ask to connect your Facebook account to your what do they call it? To your Facebook Ads Manager account, and then it's just gonna sync up and everything. So pretty much what this is when you run a Manychat ad, it's going to appear on Facebook for the most part, just to let you guys know. But there's some things you can do when running a Manychat ad that you can't on Facebook, and I just want to point that out to you guys. So I'm going to select my ad account here, and then I'm going to select create new campaign. And then on Facebook, we're at this level right now, create a new campaign, select an ad campaign. So here the campaign type is you can get messages or traffic, get people to send more people to view your ad message inside Messenger conversation. So you can do the same exact thing on Facebook. And I'm just pretty much just going to use messages because this is Manychat Messenger platform, and they recommend it as well. So if you're just going to do traffic, you could just go onto the Facebook ads. I think they have this because if you go onto traffic, you can select it to send traffic to your Messenger conversation. But remember, Facebook hasn't optimized people from traffic to actually respond to your messages. Messages is the best one to do if you want people to actually talk to you and respond to you via Messenger. So I'm just going to name this campaign test. And then here is the first difference I want to tell you guys is you can set a campaign spend limit. So how Manychat describes it is you can set an overall spending limit for your ad campaign. This means that the ad sets in your campaign will stop once you reach that spending limit. So let's say you have 3 ad sets, and let's say you set a spending limit on $20. Once all those 3 ad sets hit $20, then your campaign is just going to stop for the day or for however long you spend it. So we can set, so it's just going to stop whenever it reaches this limit. So if I send it to like $100, once it reaches that $100, it's going to stop. And unless I go back and increase my limit or make a new campaign, the ad sets aren't going to run anymore. So we're going to hit continue. And on Facebook, if I hit Messenger, you can't really do that. You can create split tests here if you want, and you can also do campaign budget optimization. This is different from campaign spend limit. Campaign budget optimization is when pretty much you set a budget at the campaign level, and Facebook will feed the ad sets that are doing well. So if you have three different ad sets and one's doing really well and two are doing mediocre, Facebook is gonna, let's say you have a budget of $20. Facebook's gonna put in, let's say, $12 on the really good one, and then $4 on the other ones that are doing meh for the most part, right? So that's the main difference. On Manychat, you can have a spending limit, so once it reaches, it stops. On Facebook, you can't really have a spending limit. You can at the ad set level, but not at the campaign level. So that's a really key difference that you awesome marketers need to know right now. And so if pretty much we're here at the ad set level here on Facebook, we all know what it looks like for the most part, right? And then now we can go on the ad set level in Manychat. So you click on create a new ad set, and then we have the destination, click to Messenger. So if people click on it, they'll go on to your messaging. They'll go into your messaging flow that you've set up for the most part. Sponsored messages, if you don't know what that is that if people are already on Facebook Messenger and they're scrolling on it, sometimes you see like a message that appears on top that says like sponsored message and then whatever your message is. That's what that is for the most part. You only really want to do sponsored messages for people who have subscribed to you, but they haven't talked to you in a while, and you need to get them to re-engage with you in order for you to start messaging them again because of the +1 rule, which is very important. I'm probably going to make a video just on that because that rule is very important, and if you don't follow it, you could see your Manychat account being banned and your Facebook ads account being banned, and you can't run Facebook ad if it's banned. So pretty much here, you can do the same things you can pretty much do on Facebook. Like I said, you're just pretty much just making a Facebook ad on Manychat when you're doing this. So you can make the audience, name the audience, have a custom audience, a lookalike audience, the age, gender. But for the location, this is another difference. They don't auto-populate it with the United States. So you do have to type in United States or wherever you're targeting for the most part. Right, here we go, United States. And then you can see what I like here with Manychat. There's another difference is that you could really see your max potential reach a lot easier. It's a lot bigger. On the Facebook Ads Manager, it's kind of small. You kind of have to like zoom in, get your magnifying glass, just be able to see it. But the Facebook Ads Manager tells you your estimated daily reach with your budget. So how do you adjust your budget on it here? Well, you may have seen it before, but what you have to do is you can set your different things here. So you can set your placements here, pretty much the same exact thing like Facebook. You can edit your placements, and then all the different placements where your messenger ad can reach, it's going to offer for the most part. And your budget, you can set your budget. So let's say I want to spend $20 a day. You can spend $5 a day, yada yada. And actual spend limit might vary. And then it says like, all the stuff that, the Facebook Ads Manager says. So $20 a day, yada yada. Actual amount spent daily may vary, to the da. So all the same things. But what about targeting? Is targeting any different from Facebook targeting, or is it the same exact thing? Well, to answer you that question, it's the same exact thing. So pretty much all the different interests, demographics, and behaviors that you can target here, you can target on Facebook as well. So it's not like if I can't find one targeting parameter here that I'm gonna find it on Manychat for the most part, right? So that's the unfortunate part. Manychat doesn't have its own unique interest and behaviors and demographics. So pretty much if it's on Facebook, if it's on Manychat, it's on Facebook. Manychat doesn't have any more interest tools than Facebook, and then Facebook doesn't have any more interest tool than what Manychat has. So let's say I'm just trying to target digital marketers just like me. Shout out if you're a digital marketer. Comment below if you are. So digital marketing, and then you can also do the same exact thing. You can narrow further or exclude people. So I'm gonna choose narrow further. So I'm just gonna do social media examiner. Let's do Gary Vaynerchuk here, and then yep. So you can see my max potential reach. So kind of one kind of thing that doesn't show up is you can't see how much your daily spend is going to get you in terms of reach, like on Facebook ads, like that you can see here. So that's one flaw that they need to fix. As you can see, this is only in the beta version, so they're obviously still going to do improvements and stuff like that, so they might have that. So you click next, and then I guess it just goes to your placements, which you hits next. Then you can set your budget, same thing, or you can mess with this stuff just like that. But then once you set your budgeting and schedule, you have set a start and end date, just like in the Manychat, just like in the Facebook ads feature. So you hit then continue. And then now we can create an ad. So let me just do the same thing here. We can now create an ad. So what are the key differences? Design advert. So how do you want it to do it? Single image or single video? In the Facebook Ads Manager, you could do single image or video, or you can do a carousel, which is another noticeable difference. So Manychat, you can't do a carousel, which if you want to do a carousel, then sorry, or just make it through the Facebook Ads Manager. And then you can set the text, the headline, description, and the call to action. So message page, apply now, contact us, and whatever. So let's actually create an image. So let's just choose this image right here. Wow, I actually had that like ready. I didn't do anything like that. I didn't, had that plan. So pretty cool. So you can do that, and it has like how it appears here. And of course, you could do the same exact thing on Facebook. So that's great. Advertising text, the text of the goons. So you can do it like that. I mean, it's kind of also one thing here that I kind of don't like. It's just like, you kind of have to like scroll in order just to see everything. It's be like, oh, da, 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 da. And then, but like with Ads Manager, it's just right there. You don't need to do that. And you can easily scroll between the different placements here, just like I talked about in my overview of the brand new Facebook's Ads Manager, which I'll have as an iCard up there, which you guys can watch to learn about the Ads Manager. So pretty much here you have your headline, goon. I just like the word goon. Don't judge me. Description, just type in what you want. So, and this is pretty much just your description is pretty much same thing here for the most part in primary text. And then, message page with the call to action, create message. And now in here, they make it easier to actually create your Manychat message. So this is another huge difference. So what you can do here is you can make your ad text and you can make your flow right from here. So you can create the message that people are going to get into once they click on your ad. So you can make, this is the message of the goon. And I would recommend having like a picture as well. Use an image, just, showing what they're gonna get with this product or whatever. And then you can, add more text, add a video, add a card, and then make sure you add a button of what you want them to do. So you can have them go to a website if they click on it, or go to a flow. So if they go to a flow, they can go to anything else that you set up. Anything else that you set up, to get their email, get their phone number and stuff like that. So this actually makes it pretty simple, because before, what you would have to do is you go onto here, and then what you would do is now, and here you would create a message, and then you would have to, you can't use your bots. If you didn't want to use your bots get started screen, you have to, what you used to have to be able to do is you have to quick replies. That's what it was. You used to have to click on a quick reply, and then that quick reply would activate a flow that people will go on to capture leads. Now people can click on a button, and it looks much more succinct, looks much more normal, and then they can go to the flow. So I'm actually gonna test this myself and see if this works better than actually using the Messenger ads. And I'll make another video about if you should actually use it. But this video was just pretty much just the overall step-by-step Manychat tutorial on how to run ads under the Manychat platform. I'm going to start using this to run my own ads for my own agency. And then all you have to do is you click send to message, and then you can also preview it as well. So if you click on preview, it's just going to send a message to your Messenger, and then you're going to see it from there. So yeah, those are the main differences I found. If you found any more differences while exploring the ads, comment below what those differences are. And yeah, so the main differences I found was that you can set a spending limit on this level, and on the ad set level, you can't do campaign budget optimization for the most part, and you don't get as much customizability. So you can create multiple ad sets, but on Facebook they have a feature where you can create multiple ad sets, at the same time. But on Manychat you can't. Obviously, this is still in the beta version, so much more needs to be done for it to actually like improve and to be on par with actually going to the Facebook ad. But if you don't want to use the quick reply method on Facebook, because sometimes that can be kind of buggy, sometimes it doesn't work. I remember when I first did it, it didn't work for me. So yeah, this is a great way if you don't want to use the quick reply. So that's pretty much the comparison between running an ad through Manychat and an ad through Facebook. And if you haven't already, click subscribe for lots and lots and lots more videos that are coming that are going to be enjoyable, valuable, and educational. I'll see you guys in the next video.